Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 and today I'm going to show you how to change these straps on this SmartBand. So let's get started. If you want to change these straps on your SmartBand, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your SmartBand, flip it around. On the back of the SmartBand, you will see that on each side of the SmartBand you have basically buttons. And to release the strap, you need to press on this button. I recommend to use a fingernail or something flat. Once you press it, you will be able to pull out the strap like this. You can just pull on it, press the button and pull on the strap, and it will come out. And here we have our straps and our SmartBand. And this mechanism is quite simple. Basically, you have holes on the SmartBand on each side, and you have some pins that lock the strap right here by basically clicking in. And when you press the button, it releases the pins, allows you to pull out the strap. And to put the strap on, so let's say you have a new strap and you want to put on, you grab the strap, you grab the SmartBand, you insert the strap like this into the holes, and once it clicks in, it will hold. Then we have the other side, like this. And basically that's how you change the straps on this SmartBand. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. And see you in the next one.